Okay, I'm following up my first video that I couldn't find the dawn temperature sensor on this thing, the 2001 Mitsubishi. Everybody has the same problem. You know, the temperature gauge going up like crazy, all the way up to the hot, top one hot one. And then for a little while, we come back, not quite halfway, but it go right back up. We keep doing that. I flush out the radiator, change this cap, change that thermostat, timing belt, and water pump done last year. Been looking for a temperature sensor forever. You know, it takes me what, a day or something. Then I found it. There's two of them right here on top of this engine right there. This one sit on where the thermostat go in, water come with thermostat. Okay, one of them's a single pole, the other one is two hole. So I bought one, but I think I'm gonna have to go back and get another one for the single pole. So double pole, I got it. So I think I'm gonna have to take the picture of that and go get it at Old Lottery or something. See, I got one right here. So, all right, man. Hopefully it helped, because hopefully it fixed it, but we'll see. I'll follow up later. All right, bye.